How to fix Huawei Nova 13 voicemail notifications not working. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off your do not disturb mode. For turning off your do not disturb mode, then simply swipe down to your control center, and here you can see the option do not disturb. If you turn this do not disturb on, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then restart your device. For start your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and then click on reset. After clicking on reset, then on top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.